In this Guitar for Beginners lesson, I'm going to show you three things. I'm going to show you how to play an open E minor chord. I'm going to give you a little bit of theory, and I'm going to give you an alternative as well, so stick around to the end. The open E minor chord uses two fingers, and the way I play it, it uses the second finger, oops, and the third finger. And if you look at the chord chart up there, you'll see the position of the fingers too. And I play it like so. I've got the second finger on the second fret of the A string, and I've got the third finger on the second fret of the D string, or the fourth string. It sounds like this. It's a lovely sound there, nice minor chord sound. And the good thing about this particular shape is that it's very easy to change from E minor to A minor. Back again, E minor to A minor. It's also very, very easy to go from E minor to E major. There's your E minor chord, and then that first finger comes on to the first fret of the G and brightens up the sound. Now, a little bit of theory with this minor chord. In general, a chord uses three notes, whether it's minor or major. And if you look at the scale there, that's E minor. And to make a minor chord, an E minor chord, we use the first note, the third note, and the fifth note. We've got an E, G, and B. So looking at it on the guitar, it's the fourth string, the D string, at the second fret, which has an E, the open G string, and the open B. That's our three notes, or triad. But of course, on the guitar, we can play, with this chord, we can play all six strings because they all sound pretty good. So just a little bit of theory there for you. If you're getting value out of this, hit the like button and the subscribe button, and don't forget to press that little bell that goes ding, ding, ding for notifications for future content just like this one. Okay, here's an alternative version of the E minor chord like I mentioned at the beginning. And instead of using the second and third fingers, we're going to be using the first and second fingers like so. They're at the same fret, so you've got the first finger now on the second fret of the A or fifth string, and you've got the second finger on the second fret of the fourth string or the D string. And of course, you play exactly the same, and it sounds exactly the same. I prefer it the other way because it's much easier to go from E minor to E or E minor to A minor. The other thing I find is that the first finger and the second finger feel like they have to press a little bit harder because there's not as much strength in those fingers, whereas using these two fingers, the second finger and the third finger, I feel like I'm much stronger. I feel like I'm Superman. Remembering chords can be pretty difficult when you're a beginner guitarist, so I always recommend having one of these, a guitar chord book, because I think they're a much better and a much quicker reference than checking on the internet and checking on your phone, especially if the internet's down. So have one of these on you. Brilliant things. Let me know in the comments which version you use at the moment. Do you use the way I play it, or do you play it with the first and the second fingers? If you're not busy now, click on this link here to see a lesson on E major, or click on this link here to see a lesson on A minor. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.